The operational agent is where day-to-day work turns into measurable performance. It connects people, time, tasks, productivity, and reporting into one intelligent system, powered by AI. No silos, no blind spots, just full operational clarity. Start with Work Insight, the heartbeat of your operations. The dashboard instantly shows total working hours, active users, screenshots, timesheet, average activity level by user, productivity scores, focus time versus idle time, peak performance hours. Leaderboards highlight top performers, while low-activity users are flagged early before productivity drops. App usage and activity trends. Dive deeper with absenteeism, dashboard to track attendance, missed days, and behavior trends. Predictive analytics to identify future absentee risks using AI. Alerts for low productivity, missing tracking, or unusual behavior. Unusual activities to spot abnormal patterns that may indicate risk or misuse. This isn't monitoring, it's operational intelligence. Meet Kai, your AI operations assistant. Ask things like, who worked less today? Show productivity by department. Any unusual activity this week? No reports, no filters, just instant answers powered by live data. The holiday page ensures attendance and productivity metrics stay accurate. Add holidays manually. Upload files and let AI extract dates automatically. Support regional and country-specific calendars. Your reports stay clean. Your planning stays realistic. With departments, you define how work is organized. Create and manage departments. Control structure for reporting and analytics. Keep large teams cleanly segmented. Clear structure equals better insights. Easily assign users to one or multiple departments. This controls reporting, visibility, performance analytics, responsibility, mapping perfect for cross-functional teams. The task management system handles everything from strategy to execution. Create projects, sections, tasks and subtasks. Set owners and collaborators, deadlines and priorities, estimated versus actual time, dependencies, comments, and file attachments. Everything stays connected, no external tools needed. For individual productivity, to-do tasks keep users focused. Daily task lists, priority levels, recurring tasks, due date reminders. It's personal task management inside your operations system. The user performance page gives managers instant clarity. Tasks completed, productivity levels, time spent versus output performance comparisons. Perfect for reviews, coaching, and recognition. Task analytics shows completion rates, overdue tasks, workload distribution, bottlenecks, and delays. You don't just see tasks, you see how work moves. Employees submit daily activity reports to log. Tasks completed, time spent, notes and blockers. Managers review everything in daily activities and all daily reports, keeping accountability high and communication clear. The missing reports page automatically flags users who didn't submit reports, sends Slack reminders automatically. No manual follow-ups. The system handles it. At month end, monthly revision uses AI to analyze total hours, productivity trends, participation levels, performance gaps and improvements. You get a ready-to-review operational summary without manual analysis. For managers and admins, AI reports turn operations into shareable intelligence. This page is restricted to authorized users only. Create AI-generated performance reports for quick insights. Manual monthly exports for audits and reviews. Configure by date range or month team or individual user export in formats like PDF and track everything in report history. No manual analysis, no formatting work, just clear, AI-powered reports, ready for leadership. The ExactFlow Operational Agent transforms daily work into clear insights, smarter decisions, and stronger teams. One module, total visibility, AI-powered operations done right.